a variation where we go under the leg. So let me demonstrate it to you front view. We will do it in counterclockwise, which is the direction I'm in right now. And then what you'll do is you'll bring your poi down. As they're coming down, you'll lift your left leg, turn to the left, lift your right leg, and the poi will have gone underneath both of your legs. Like 3/4 view. When it's coming down, so right there, I would come wider than normal so that my hand would hit my body if I didn't lift my left leg. And then it goes under my left leg. You're up here, you come down, you're up here, you come down. And now this time I'm gonna lift my left leg, they both go under, and then I lift my right leg to exit. I'm gonna show you the footwork. It's kind of like this, where you shift your weight to the right side and turn left, like 90 degrees. So do this with me. You're on your right foot, you lift your left leg, you spin 90 degrees, then you shift your weight to your left leg and spin like another 90 degrees. Yes, and then yes. So that as you come down with your hands, you would come under and then under. I guess I'm doing 90 degrees and 180, so it's a 270. It doesn't matter, whatever's comfortable for you to get your hands underneath. You don't have to do however much I'm doing. But the turn itself, though, gives you more time to get the poi under your leg. So if you just did the bottom portion of it, your two hands come under the leg, then under the leg, and out. They come under the leg, out. And then come up over your head. You're counterclockwise like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left leg, lift the right leg, up and over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the left, lift the right, up and over. I mean, I like to say feel the heat. So when your hand goes underneath here, you want to really feel your groin, because you really want to get your hands underneath so that the poi go back behind you, right? Because you want the poi to be long enough so that people can see that it's actually going under you, right? Reach for it. Reach deep. And while you could do this standing static, like that, if you don't want to have a jump, you can add the turn like that. But you could do it static if you wanted to. I don't prefer it because I'm not as graceful jumping, I feel like. Your mileage may vary. If you're more graceful or you're more athletic, it might be more fun for you to do it that way.